I was really inspired to start Bowen College when I realized that not only was Bowen such an easy and effective technique, that it also could reach so many people. And I wanted to create a program that would really support the practitioner in really honing into all their skills, regardless of what their background was.
My husband had a chronic back pain from a motor vehicle accident. Someone suggested that she should have a bone therapy. So he had a bone therapy and he had immediate pain relief. And I became interested and I started researching and decided to take the course. And I took the course and I became a bone practitioner.
The atmosphere was very positive, very dynamic, very interactive, and it's just teaching the technique in a very fun way. It's not the kind of classes where you feel like you're just sitting in a classroom setting, learning a certain type of therapy. It's very fun to actually join the classes and learn the Bowen technique with the best instructors available.
Anyone can learn at Bowen College because we have different levels of entry depending on what formation or experience they have, or whether they're a healthcare practitioner or whether they're not. And it's just a desire to help other people with something that is quite simple and extremely effective.
It's quite fascinating to me how something so passive can be so effective.
An hour and a half ago I arrived and I was trembling with pain. And now I feel about 70% better after one treatment with Bowen.
I felt different after the first session, but after 3, there was a big difference.
I think it's soft tissue work that's being done here so that areas of tension and tightness are being released, which then make the back a lot looser, and that relieved the pain. So the very first time there was a dramatic difference. And after 4 treatments, I no longer needed to continue.
I love Bowen because it allows the body to reboot, and I think that's the direction that we're going in. We need to trust that our bodies have the capacity to self-heal. And this is one of the techniques that hones into that capacity and makes the body seem like it's just a miracle, which it is.
Well, after my first session, I was reluctant to even pay because I didn't feel like she'd done anything to me. It was very strange. It was so minimal, so non-invasive. It almost felt like she did nothing. Eventually I realized that less is more, and it's allowed me to heal. So yeah, it was amazing. I was hooked and I learned it.
I was struck by the almost minimalist approach that Dr. Manon takes. You're there for about an hour, but the actual time that she spends touching your back is about 5 minutes out of that hour.
It's not hard on the body, it's very gentle to do, it's not exhausting, and you can help quite a few people at the same time because the nature of the technique requires periods of time for the body to integrate the information. So it feels to me when I practice that it's like a walking meditation. So at the end of the day I actually feel invigorated, and of course if you end up helping so many people, it's a wonderful thing.
It's almost like unbelievable. That's what happened to me with my husband when he came home. What did she do? Did she give you some medication? Did she give you that? He said, no, it was just a gentle move. How did that happen? I have to know this. I have to take this course. I have to find out how it works.
I would say Bowen College provides you with the best experience and the best education possible to teach you the Bowen technique and help you use the Bowen technique in the best way possible throughout your practice. I can't imagine being part of a better college.
Any modality that can help as dramatically as this one does ought to be more widely known and widely practiced.
I guess it's hearing it over and over again. You've just rebooted my whole body. And really, what it comes down to is rebooting their whole life. Because when you're out of pain, everything changes. And this has created the inspiration for people to say, how can I learn this? Where can I get the right education, no matter what I know or what I don't know, to be able to reboot the world? And that's what people want to do. And that's why they come to Bowen College.
you.